Y'all, I bought my first real plant from a black owned plant shop. Can you say that? Yes, the Plant Project here in Houston, Texas. I need y'all to get there if you're into real plants. Now, typically I buy fake plants, but it's nothing like the real thing. And she has a plethora of plants, okay? From the sizes, the colors, the shapes. And she will educate you on the type of plant you have and how to take care of it. She knows the background of it. I was just so excited, y'all. Look at the plants. And like the theme of it, as you look around, it's just so comfy. It's so like welcoming. She was at the front when I first walked in, so I had a warm welcome with her, and I was able to just talk to her about, how to take care of this plant. Now, I got the polka dot plant, so it's more of an inside plant, and I'm just supposed to water it once a week. I had to ask her about, over watering, and she pretty much told me with the polka dot plant, it's not about overwatering. You just want to make sure that the soil isn't too dry, and the plant will talk to you, y'all. The plant will let you know when they need some water, because she said it will get a little low. See, I couldn't have told y'all all that before I walked in there, and that's the plant. Look at my plant. It's so cute. And I'm definitely going back. I want to get an outside plant, so I'm definitely gonna go back and get like a bigger one. But I was so proud that I got my first, and it's so pretty. And she bagged it up for me nice and tight. Yes, I had to get my pictures in because I was so excited, and it's so pretty, y'all. And it can't have too much sunlight. Okay, so I put it in a nice pretty area in my home. Make sure y'all get there, okay? If you're into plants, I need you to get there, okay? And continue to follow me as I go explore more black owned businesses here in Houston, Texas. Follow the tube.